Hi, I want to give you a quick overview of RAGAgent. Let's get this started. All right, so this is what the screen looks like when it comes up. And right now I'm connected to, I think, Gemma 2, but I can change that. I can go into the help menu here. And you see we can do all of these kinds of things. One of the things we can do is /model or /CM. And this will allow me to choose whichever one of these I want. Now, all of these models are models that I have pulled in Olama. So once you pull them, then they show up in this menu here. And I'm just going to make sure that I'm on Gemma 2B. That's number 4. So now that's set. And I can set the temperature in here. Let's do /temperature 0.5. And then Q to quit, and that brings us back out here. Now, let's say that I want to do a some kind of report. I can type /fabric like this, and then I have 126 different patterns that I can use for this. And so let's see, what can we get for a report? Let's just do 55, which is summarize. All right, so it says over here using pattern summarize, and now I can say who was Bach. Now this takes a little while for the first prompt because it has to load the model. So auto goes off and is thinking, and actually it came back pretty quickly this time. I'm surprised. But maybe when I chose Gemma, it loaded it. I'm not sure. I'll have to check that. But here's a little report on Bach. And so that's /help to get into the commands here. Uh, I've got to make some corrections here. I should be able to list all the chats, the chat history, and I should be able to truncate the chat history if it gets too long. I don't think that's working right now. Some of the changes I made to logging, I think, have messed that up. So I will fix that. But you can see it is working. You can set the system messages using Fabric. And you can also do /search. Like this, and you can put in there what are Bach's top or most popular compositions. And now this will go out to DuckDuckGo and do a search. And you'll see it comes back with information that uses the search results from DuckDuckGo. Now, I find that Gemma is pretty good all on its own, probably could have come up with the same pieces of information. But by the way, if I go back into Fabric here, I put in one called simple. Let's see if I can find that. I think it's up at the top here. Yeah, number 63 is simple. Let's do this search again. Let's see what it comes up with this way. So it's now going to put it into that summary style. Now, for something like this query or this prompt, probably don't need to use search, but if you want local information, for example, let's see, what do I want? Indian restaurant in Mountain Home, Arkansas. Now, this is something that's absolutely not going to be inside of Gemma 2. All right, so it comes up with this address here. It oddly does not give. Oddly, it doesn't give the name of the restaurant, but yeah, that's kind of strange. Anyway, to quit, it's /Q, and that's it. I hope you enjoyed this and find it interesting. Thank you for watching, and like and subscribe, and bye bye.